Welcome to the demo of our full-stack e-commerce project. This project showcases a complete user flow from authentication to product management and cart checkout with responsive design and error handling. For the contributions, Junliang implemented the authentication and the cart system part, and Junyu implemented the full product workflow. The GitHub URL is shown here, and our tech stack is we are using JavaScript and the Redux toolkit for the state management. And we use white to initialize the front-end React project. For the backend, we use Node.js, Express.js, and the MongoDB. We also use JWT. Here is the setup instructions that you can use to quick start and test the project. Remember to copy the .env.example file to your .env file and set the Mongo URI and set the JWT secret. The frontend also has a .env file that you need to set the white API-based URL to point to the backend URL with /API. I will begin by demonstrating the authentication workflow. We first visit the sign up page, which includes field validations for both email and password. We try an invalid email without the X symbol. Okay. And you will show me that the email missed the X symbol. We enter an valid email, user7@mail.com. We try an invalid password with fewer than 6 characters. It failed the password validations because it is less than 6 characters. We now set the password the same as the email address, which is valid. We leave the is admin checkbox unchecked to make it a regular user. We click the create account. Whenever you sign up an account successfully, it will redirect to the home page. Let's sign out this account by clicking on the sign out button on the navigation bar. Now we are on the sign in page. which includes the same email and password validation. We try signing with an email that doesn't exist. Let's try user6 at mail.com. It shows that the email does not exist. Let's do it with the correct email and the correct password. Let's sign out again and goes to the reset password page by clicking on forgot password. This page accepts a valid email address. If you try to enter an invalid email address, like missing the S symbol, it will tell you that you are missing the @ symbol. Enter an valid email address. If the email is in our system, a message is shown indicating that a reset link has been sent. Even for the email that does not exist in our system, it still shows that the reset link has been sent, which happens here. And let's see. Try the email address that does not exist. It shows the same thing. And redirect to the login page after 5 seconds. Let's log in as a regular user. As you can see, when a regular user is logged in, the UI hides admin-only features like Add Product and Add the Product buttons. We now sign in as an admin user. This time, after logging as an admin, we can see all features enabled in the UI. The Add Product button and the Add the Product buttons for the user's product. After authentication, the user section is persisted via local storage. Even after refreshing the page, the login state remains active. We also implemented responsive design for all authentication pages, ensuring that login, sign up, and password reset flows are mobile friendly. Let's see. Sign out and resign the page. Sign up page and the forgot password page. It's responsive design. Role-based UI logic is managed using Redux selectors. Select author is admin and select author is authenticated, which controls conditional rendering in React components. Authentication functionality is centralized in author_slice.js. Is using the create async funct to simulate and call the backend APIs. Local storage is used to preserve login state across sections and refreshes.
Now I show you how to add a product. It should be shown immediately after I create. Now I press add product. I tried Apple. The name is Apple. App description is Apple is fresh. Home, I choose home for category, and the price I set to 0, and maybe $1, and the star I set to 17. Okay, now we'll go to get Apple, the picture of Apple. This one, copy image. Uh, Now it says save product. Now it shows apples on the first item. Uh, it shows in the first item here because the main page is the sorting is from the price is from low to high. So now it shows the app product is working. Now we try to click on the edit button on any one of these products on the main page, on the home page. Maybe this one. I click on this book. Now the page shows the product details in the form. The page itself populate the production details in the form inputs. Now I show you the edit button, if the edit button is working or not. Okay, now I try to change the description to I from expensive to I try to edit the price of the cell phone. Now I change the price to 12,000 to 11,000 and then press save product. Now we go to check if we already changed the product price. No, the product price changed and the description also changed. You go back to the page 3 to check out the home page. Yeah, it also shows the price change to 11,000. Now we show that the create and edit product page use the same component. Now I will show you the add product page first. This is the form that I use for the add product. Go back to the main page. This is the form that I use for edit product. As you can see that the form are equal. The add product and edit product form are equal. They are using the same form for edit and add product. Now I will show you the backend code. Both the edit and add page use the same component. So the page, let's go to front end. This is the form, product form that they share. And this is the app page and the edit page. Both this one is the edit page. It used the product form component in the return statement. App page also used the product form in the return statement. They are using the same component, product form. Now I show you the product form. Here is the product form. This one is a snap function for set auction for the category. This one is the price input. This one is the stock input. This one is the description input. This one is for the other input. And this whole one is for the image input. If your link is working, connect to an image, it will show image here. Now I show you the add product, the add button here. The add button here, when the add button here, it means you add 0 items into cart. Let's delete this one first. Remove these 2 items from the cart. Once you add 1 item, the cart will show 1 Apple item here. Once if the product quantity in the cart is more than 1, it will show a minus and plus button here. If it is 0, it will show add button. Now I try to add 3 apples. Now it has 3 apples in the cart. Add 1 more, 4 apples. Now I try to decrease it to, now we have 2 apples in the cart. Make it to 0. It shows add button again because it is 0. The cart shows 0 Apple items. Now I go into the product detail page. It shows the same things here as the home page do. Add shows 1 items, add 2 more, three more. Three items. Now I make it to 0. It shows add button again. From here, we can see that the add and minus and the plus button are doing the same thing in product detail page and home page. When you're trying to add item in home page, right? Add item into car in the home page. The quantity which shows on home page, it also shows in the product detail page. You can change the quantity free. Means you add 3 apples into the car, and you go back to the home page. It also shows free here. So it means you can see the quantity on both product list page and product detail page are same. Now I will show you the pagination. First, we need to know how many products we create. In MongoDB, we check that it shows 27. We have 27 products. Each page I set the limit to 10 items. So it will only shows 10 items in the page. 10 items in the page. So the first page has 10 items, second page should have 10 items, and third page should have 7 items. Totally 27 items. This is the pagination. And I show you the front end code, the code in the front end. Here. This is the homepage component fee. See, front end it shows a path in the current page, and the page limit is 10 to the French product. The French product is get all products in the backend. I show you the backend code service. The product service here. The default current page is 1. The limit is 10. The default limit is 10 for get all products. Now I show you the responsive design. First, we look at the home page. Yeah, the home page is working. So add product page is also working. The edit product page is also working for this responsive design. Now we check the detail page. The detail page is also working for the responsive design. I show the CSS code. I show the CSS code here for one of the page. Hello, this is component. I show the page. Yeah, this is the product page list, product list page, and the CSS code is here. Yeah, this part is working for the responsive design media. Now I show you the create delete product with pagination. Now we try to create a product. Create a product. iPhone 25. Expensive. We set the price very expensive, 10,000, 12,000. Okay, 12,000 stock of image. We get Apple 25. iPhone 25. Let's make it iPhone 25. iPhone 25. Yeah. This picture. Mhm. Okay, we save it. Since the sorting is from low to high, so the iPhone 25, also the iPhone 25 is the most expensive product in the product list. So it should be on the third page. Yeah, okay, it shows here. Yeah, it means yeah, it shows here. So the create a product is working for the pagination. Now we try to delete a product. Go to the first page. Yeah, the sorting is low to still low to high. If we try to delete the apple is the lowest price here. The things in the second page, the things in the second page, first product, this one will move to first page. Let's see if the name of this product is Mutual Lie Down Jacket. Okay, $79. Let's see. I go to delete the apple. Also here we can check if we can delete a product successfully or not. Now I delete it. It shows successfully delete. Now after I delete the apple, the product in second page move to the first page. It means the pagination setting is working for the delete function. Now we check the sorting. Now the sorting is from low to high. See, the price is increasing, increasing, increasing. The last one in the first page is $79.90. Go to the second page. It's higher than all the price. The first item in second page is higher than all the price in first page. The price is increasing, also increasing, increasing, increasing. We go to the third page. This one is higher than all the price in second page. The price is increasing in the third page. So it is. So the low to high sorting is working on the pagination on the product list page. Now we check the high to low sorting. The high to low sorting, see, it's working till the first page. Every time you try to reset, choose the sorting, it will go back to the first page. Now the price is decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. $400. We almost $400 here. Now we got to the second page. Oh, the price is same. This price is also $399 as the last one in the first page. It's going down. The price is keep going down, keep going down. Yeah, keep going down, keep going down. The price is lower than all the price in second page. Yeah, the page the sorting is working for the pagination and the home page. Also now I check the last ad sorting. The last ad sorting is this one is the last ad, right? It shows on the first page. So the last assortment is also working. Now I show you the out of stock label. Try test. We can do anything for it. The price is set to $1, okay? Set to $1 and product start I set to 0. Save product. Save product is if it is 0 stock out of if it shows out of stock. Also in the product detail page, if it shows out of stock. Now I will show you the search product bug. Search bug. Uh, I search. This is a live search bar. It's not there is no button on it. You don't need to press a button to search the product. Once you enter something such as J, it's it will find something depend on the name J, right? Jacket. Now try to search jacket. JAK. It means now JAK. All the products with JAK. Jacket. Oh, there's nothing. Jacket. Okay. Jacket. Jacket. It will shows all the jackets here. If I enter only this name, such as this name, okay. Let me see. If I only search this name, okay, maybe enter it. JACKET. If I search Danny, D E N I M A T. Danny jacket. It will only shows one jacket. Yeah. Now I search one more. iPhone. Yeah, iPhone now it shows 3 items. I press H. Yeah, the LED light disappear. Now I search iPhone 25. 25. Yeah, it shows only one items here now. I show you the backend code of the login. Here is the product service code. I search the product depend on the name. It can also combine with description and category, but now I only depend on the name.
Moving on to the car system, we begin by logging as a regular user, user 7. Users can add products to the car from both the product list and the product details page. The quantity indicators update accordingly. And also, the quantity is consistent on the product fee page. Inside the cart drawer, users can change item quantities. Click the plus button to increment the quantity by 1 up to the product stock limit. Click the minus button to decrement the quantity by 1 down to a minimum of 1. Click the remove button to remove the item entirely from the cart. Let's try to add a coffee table and 2 soccer balls. Go back to the car. You see, the quantity of the items is consistent. Let's try to apply a promo code. First, try an invalid code. The validation fails because the discount code 3 is invalid. Let's try a valid code. Then the $20 off discount is applied. Try another valid code. This is 20% discount off the subtotal price. You can see the real-time price updates will calculate the new subtotal and the discount code will update the discount and the tax is determined by the random bucket by the user when the user is initially created. And the final total price will be calculated accordingly. Changing the quantity of the item will change the subtotal and will change the total and the discount and also the tax if the tax is not 0. You can see here in the backend, the car model has a tax rate buckets constant list of 0, 0.05, and 0.1. The tax rate is selected randomly from the tax rate buckets. Next, we log out and log back in. Thanks to stay persistence using backend and the local storage. The car is automatically restored when a login user returns. The car logic is managed through car slice.js and car functions project1.js. Car summary calculations, subtotal, discount, tax, total are performed securely in the backend. The card drawer is fully responsive and adapts cleanly across screen size. Let's try to resize the card. Resize the page. The card is responsive. We also have error handling page. When something unexpected happens, such as visiting a route that does not exist, it will render an error page in responsive design too. User can click the Go Home button to go back to the home page.
Now I will also show you the upload button for the image. Uh, since edit and add using the same form, we just use the edit button. We can not only use the image URL, we can also use the upload button to upload the local image. When you upload the local image, the image will go to the backend folder which call uploads. Now I try to upload a image that is local. For example, one piece. Okay. And now it changed to use this photo, save product. It create a local host link for it. Save in the photo save in the backend. Save photo. See the picture change. Now we go to check. Now it's the photo saved here. This one. Yeah, save to backend. Now we try to change add one more photo using the local data. Local. Now we try to add a picture on it. Any picture. Or this one. Okay, save photo. Now let's see, check the upload folder. Yeah, the photo saved to here, so that next time when we open the website, you can use the local folder in the pattern.